Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Bob, CEO and founder of cryptoikonmedia, and you are watching Crypto Icon, a show where I talk about everything around crypto, Web3, and blockchain technology. So today we will take a look at some of major crypto news and some hot updates. But please note that I'm not a financial advisor. It is just for information and entertainment purpose. So let's go for it. But before that, I'm just going to talk about current market price. So today's cryptocurrency price by market cap. The global crypto market cap is $834.15 billion, which is around 1.46% increase over the last day. And the total crypto market volume over the last 24 hours is $56.44 billion, which makes around 4.19% decrease. The total volume in DeFi, it's currently $3.58 billion, which makes 6.35% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. The volume of all stablecoin is now $53.42 billion, which is 94.65% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. Bitcoin dominance is currently 38.24%, a decrease of 0.10% of the over the day. And Bitcoin price is now $16,590, and the Ethereum price is $1,200, and BNB price is $299. And okay, so the first story is coming up from the blog.co. So I would give this credit to the blog.com. And the story says Web3 and VR gaming studio Third World raises $15 million in latest funding round. A company making a blockchain game based on the popular 80s football manga capital Tsubasa raised $15 million in its latest funding round. Tokyo-based Web3 and VR gaming studio Third World received backing from round leaders MZ Web3 funds, as well as 8DAO and B-Venture, Double Jump Tokyo, and Fanbushi Capital, Flickshot, and it's Hold'em Capital, Kusabi, OKCoin Japan, and OKX Ventures and Yield Guide Games. The company previously raised $20.3 million over the 3 rounds, including most recently its 2021 series B featuring Web3 gaming giants Anamico brands. It did not respond to a request to confirm this round is its series seed or to share its valuation. Its funds will be used for hiring and developing more titles, including VR games. Third World currently has 3 on its book, 2 of which launched this year and a third that is in development. Third World is also working on its first blockchain game. Earlier this month, the company announced a partnership with Polygon, and which launched Capital Tsubasa rivals on the chain by the end of this year. While the name Capital Tsubasa will mean little to those with no interest in manga or football, over 18 million copies of the manga have been sold worldwide since it was launched in 1981. The upcoming blockchain game will allow players to train an NFT avatar and take part in PvP battles. And let's go for the second story, which is coming up from cryptobriefing.com. So I would give this credit to cryptobriefing.com. And the story says digital currency group reveals $2 billion in liabilities, including debt to its own subsidiary. Digital Currency Group CEO Barry Silbert also admitted to intercompany loan among subsidiaries, including $575 million borrowed from Genesis. Digital Currency Group currently has $2 billion worth of loans according to a letter sent to shareholders today. DCG outlines a lending situation. In a shareholder letter sent to investor on Tuesday, Digital Currency Group CEO Barry Silbert outlined the state of the company's lending situation. Most notably, the letter reveals that Digital Currency Group's subsidiary company Genesis Global Capital lent more than $500,000 to DCG itself. DCG currently has a liability to Genesis Global Capital of $575 million, which is due to May 2023, Silbert wrote. The financial relationship between the two companies is already controversial. Genesis halted withdrawals on November 16th. The company sought a $1 billion emergency loan in the days before that decision, but was ultimately unsuccessful in securing the requested funds. In today's shareholder letter, Silbert acknowledged that there has been clutter about intercompany loans, but said those loans were made in the ordinary course of business. He calculated that DCG borrowed money from Genesis in the same vein as hundreds of crypto investment firms. The letter also says that $1.1 billion promissory note exists. That promissory note is connected to the collapse of the Three Arrow Capital and is due in June 2032. Silbert explained the DCG stepped in and assumed certain liabilities from Genesis following the collapse of 3AC, and that it is now involved in liquidation proceeding. Finally, DCG said that its only other debt in $350 million credit facility from a group of lenders led by Albridge Industries. And let's go for the third story, which is coming from the cryptoslate.com. So I would give this credit to cryptoslate.com. And the story says Core Scientific might not make it past November 2023 after revealing $1.7 billion in losses. Core Scientific said in its quarterly report that doubt exists about its ability to continue going if it fails to raise liquidity. Okay. It's Core Scientific, one of the largest publicly traded Bitcoin miners, might not make it until the end of the year. In its quarterly report filed with the SEC, the company said exists about its ability to continue going if it fails to raise liquidity. However, the ability to raise funds through financing and capital market transaction is subject to many risks and uncertainties, and current market conditions have reduced the availability of these capital and liquidity sources. The company anticipates that existing cash resources will be depleted by the end of 2022 or sooner. Given the uncertainty regarding the company's financial condition, doubt exists about the company's ability to continue as a going concern through November 2023. And let's go for the last story, which is coming from decrypt.com. So I would give this credit to decrypt.com. And the story says why OpenSea is sticking with NFT creator royalties. CEO Devin Finzer speaks with Decrypt about royalties move. The response from creator and X2XY following its lead. As the leading NFT marketplace, OpenSea policies carry a lot of weight, and going into November, many creators and collectors alike wondered about the $13.3 billion startup stance on creator royalties. But when OpenSea finally spoke out on the issue, its comment only created more questions, promoting backlash from creators. David Finzer, co-founder and CEO of OpenSea, told Decrypt that the firm analyzed market data and spoke with creators ahead of its announcement, and that it hoped to open its dialogue with more of the NFT community. Finzer said that his team was surprised by the level of pushback, which he attributed to the ambiguity of how we were handling existing collection. Our goal there was really to start a conversation with creators, and I think we really did in many ways, said Finzer. A lot of people came out super active, wanting to tell us their perspective. In some ways, while it was a mixed reaction, it was actually a really healthy discussion. OpenSea had long honored creators at fees on secondary sales, even though they can't be fully enforced on chain. But in recent months, rival platforms have gutted royalties in the name of a cheaper transaction for traders, turning the NFT space on its head and throwing a curveball at creator dealing with falling price and demand. The November 5th, OpenSea said that it was weighing its option and would continue to consult with the NFT community. It also launched a tool that would let creators on new Ethereum NFT project block marketplace that don't fully honor royalties. But for existing project, OpenSea cited the possibility of making creator fees optional for traders. And guys, this is the end of the story today, and thank you for watching this video. If you like the content for this video, please give me a thumbs up and press the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so you will receive more content like this every day. And don't forget to check out our official link of major crypto platform in the description of this video. And I would love to hear your feedback and suggestions, so do comment your thoughts below. And please share this video with your friends on social media, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram at bobasheesh, and also at cryptoikonmedia to learn more about our company. And let me talk about what exactly we do. Cryptoikonmedia is a full service interactive crypto media agency, digital marketing, social media and branding. And guys, if you want to get 100 USDT, so get world biggest crypto exchange Binance and deposit more than $50 into your Binance account, and we will both get 100 USDT cashback as a voucher. And if you are listening to this content on the Apple Podcast, Spotify or any other podcast platform, then please do hop on our YouTube channel for the real action. And thank you once again. Please share this video. Please like this video. Thank you. Have a great day. Catch you soon.